Okay, this is a simple recipe that I just wanted to really quickly prepare for dinner for the family. I have my grounded pig meat. I have my chips. This is called Parmigiano Pecorino. This is called salsicce in Italian language. I have my fresh mushroom. Very fresh. So I have my asparagus. This is the vegetable. Then I have my fresh red onions. So let me first of all systemize everything and cut off all the parts that I do not need from this vegetable. Then I will first of all wash it. This is the part that I need. Then I wash it with mushroom and onions and all the stuff. We are coming back. These are my washed vegetables. I cut my asparagus into 3 parts. Then I put it inside the pot. Then add some water to it. Put it in the gas cooker to cook. I will allow it to cook for a little bit. Then my asparagus is on the gas cooker. So let's go forward to other stuff. This is salsicce. So it is time for me to cut our salsicce, that is the grounded pig meat. Oh. Okay, this is the time to grind our asparagus. The aroma is something else. Your latest station. Come on. Wait.